Hey, today I'm gonna open up these Mutant Mayhem High School Turtles. They're from the show. I wasn't planning on buying them. I think they're dope. I love the turtles without their mask, but I haven't been watching the show, so I didn't plan on it. But I was at Walmart and I really wanted to see what it says on his shirt, so I ended up buying it. And then I was like, if I'm gonna get him, I gotta get Mikey too. They've got some great accessories. Let's open them up. Also, I noticed his name is Michael Angelo, not Michelangelo. So his name is Michael, and he's the only turtle that has a last name, and his last name is Angelo. Like, is this Raphael Angelo? Maybe? I don't know. So he's got these 2 dumbbells and a backpack because he's going to school. And that's kind of the reason I'm not watching the show. I mean, I'm not going to get Paramount Plus just so I can watch a show about a bunch of turtles who go to high school. So it says, "You're not up, dog." That's what I thought it said, but I'm like, that's really stupid. It's supposed to be a play on, you know, like, have you ever heard of up, dog? What's up, dog? Not much. What's up with you? But, yeah, "You're not up, dog" t-shirt probably wasn't worth buying them, but they're still cool. I like them. Look at his face, missing a tooth. He's ready to fight. Backpack, go over one shoulder. Guess you could get it on both. Yeah, he'll be ready to go to school. All right, he's got his little black shoes on. Maybe right before he leaves for school, he wants to get a quick pump so that the girls see his muscles when he's on the school bus. He's got a shirt on, so he doesn't have the weight of a shell, but he has the weight of a backpack, and his feet look smaller. Plus, he's skinnier. Oh yeah, where is he putting his toes? Why are his feet so small? That's weird. Alright, time for Mikey. He chose to carry a satchel instead of a backpack. That's cool. I like bags like that. And he comes with this microphone and mic stand. Modern cordless mic. That's dope. Maybe he's practicing for the talent show, I guess. Maybe. Oh yeah, he looks really excited to go for his first day of school. He's got some little white shoes, also too small for his feet. And they don't come with any weapons. I guess you're not allowed to bring weapons to school, but they're Ninja Turtles. That's the thing. I guess that's the reason I'm not going to pay to watch this cartoon, because the thing about the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, I'm not a teenager and I'm not a turtle, so I got the ninja and mutant that I can relate to. But with these turtles, in order to focus on the teenage part, they got rid of the ninja part, or at least they played it down. They only learned to be ninjas from watching Jackie Chan movies. You know, I like the whole, they're disciplined and they're outcasts, so they have to live in the sewer, they have to grow up faster, they have to, you know, be ninjas. I don't think I can relate to these turtles. Maybe I'll watch it and it'll be good, but I've watched like 5-minute clips on YouTube, and not worth $10 a month. Sorry guys. But what do you think of them? I think these figures are awesome. I like the accessories. I don't like why their feet are so small, or I don't like how their feet are so small. Why is that? You probably don't know, but if anyone who designed these knows, please drop a comment. And so that's them, or well, these are the figures from the movie that I customized like a year ago, probably, maybe whenever the movie came out. So I wasn't expecting to buy these guys, but I got them. I thought his shirt might say something different, but that's what I thought it was gonna say, and I'm disappointed in that. But he's a dope figure. I might customize him one day if I think of something cool to do with them. But anyways, thanks a lot for watching, and until next time, remember, always keep your head up. Peace.